This set of 100th Day print or digital activities is packed full of themed, educational, engaging activities that cover reading, writing, and math standards. These no-prep activities are sure to engage your students in meaningful learning mixed with fun as you celebrate the 100th day of school. These activities are pre-loaded to Seesaw and Google Slides. One-click links are provided for the activities on both platforms, making it easy to assign to students digitally, or just print and go. Give yourself a break as you plan for the 100th day of school. We've got you covered.